Today we will be testing a 15-minute crypto strategy. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute crypto strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 110 different strategies with 34 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the strategy with the Academy of Forex indicator and the Z-score probability indicator. I will put a thumbnail of that video up on screen right now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. That way you can go straight there and watch that video on the best strategy that we have tested so far. We've also tested a total of 993 indicators with 419 of them being winners. And keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we're testing a 15-minute crypto strategy. I'm going to go ahead and turn off these two indicators here. And so the source video claims that this artificial intelligent trading indicator gives perfect signals. And so the first indicator that you are going to add to screen is going to be the Bollinger Bands Nadardia smoothed here by Flux Charts actually, and it is going to look like this right here. And you have this set to the default settings, so none of the settings will change on this indicator. Neither will the settings on the second indicator as well, which is going to be the hybrid EMA algo learner right here. And it will look like this right here. If I scroll back a little bit, you can see a little bit better what this indicator does. And this indicator here is the one that the video claims is the artificial intelligence indicator, but then goes on to say that it doesn't actually use the artificial intelligence, it just kind of fakes it more or less. And so the indicator itself, like I said, is kind of similar to the RSI, where it has a top line, bottom line, midline, and the oscillating line, which breaks to the upside or the downside and gives you this coloration when it does. And so the first thing that we are looking for is when the hybrid algo breaks either to the upside in the green, you are then looking for long trades. When it breaks down to the downside and is orange, you are looking for short trades. And so as an example, you can see here that the hybrid EMA has broke to the downside, is orange there. And then what we are looking for is the Bollinger Bands here indicator to give us a short signal like this right here. Now keep in mind that this indicator actually gives the signal 4 bars into the future. And so this signal here doesn't appear until the close of this 4th bar. Now, once you get that all lined up, pretty simple strategy, We are then going to set a short trade. Our stop is going to be at the upper Bollinger Band line right here, the red one. And then we are going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what happens. And you can see that it makes a decent little push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and look at a long trade. Okay, so for a long trade, it is the opposite. So the hybrid EMA is in the top side position and has the green background there, the green cloud. And what we are going to do is just go ahead and play this forward a little bit so you can actually see this green signal appear. There you go. So you see 4 bars into the future there is when that signal actually shows up. Again, we are going to set our long trade. The stop is going to be right at the Bollinger Band line, the lower Bollinger Band line there. And we are going to once again target the 1 to 2 risk reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward, see what happens. All right. Once again, you can see that we make the nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. So let's go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 25 winning trades and 25 losing trades. And so obviously that puts us at a 50% win rate. Now with the 1 to 2 risk reward, that puts things pretty good in our favor. So let's say that on the winning side, you are looking to gain $600 per trade. Your total profit on the winning side would have been $15,000, and on the losing side, you would have been risking $300. Your total loss would have been $7,500 for a total gain of $7,500 altogether. Not too bad at all for a strategy. Now, compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator strategy that I've mentioned a few times already in the video. During that same period of time, we had 143 trades, with 106 of them being winners and 37 of them being losers. Now, using the same gain, the monetary gain as the other strategy, that means that on the winning trades, you would have gained $63,600, and on the losing side, you would have lost $28,860 for a total profit of $34,740. Much better than $7,500. Definitely would take the $34,000 versus the $7,500. And so now the Academy of Forex strategy only did a 74% win rate on this particular coin, and I've never tested it on the Solana before, and so I definitely don't like it on this coin. It has done much better win rates on other crypto, and so I wouldn't necessarily use it on this coin. Even though it was pretty decently profitable, you could have had better results on Bitcoin or just Ethereum in itself, or the Forex market. And so if you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a 7-day free trial of that. Just sign up for a Patreon down below, and you will be sent the information on how to sign up for the free trial. that's it for this one. I think we'll go ahead and put this one on the winning side, the winning list, because it did get a decent win rate and a decent risk reward. And so, like I said, we'll put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.